So you've just unboxed your new gaming PC, that sleek case, the RGB lighting, the raw power waiting to be unleashed. But before you dive into your favorite games, there are several critical steps you need to take to ensure optimal performance, security, and longevity for your new rig. First, update your operating system. Windows or whatever OS you're running likely has important updates waiting. These updates often include security patches and performance improvements that are essential for gaming. Open your settings, navigate to the update section, and let your system download and install everything it needs. This might take some time, but it's worth the wait. Next, update your drivers. Your graphics card, motherboard, and other components all need the latest drivers to function at their best. For your GPU, head to the NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel website, depending on your card, and download their official driver software. This will keep your graphics card running smoothly and ensure compatibility with the latest games. Install essential software. This includes an antivirus program to keep your system protected, a good browser, communication tools like Discord for gaming with friends, and utilities like CPU-Z or HW Monitor to keep an eye on your system's performance and temperatures. Configure your display settings, right-click on your desktop and access your graphics control panel. Set your monitor to its native resolution and refresh rate. If you have a high refresh rate monitor, make sure it's actually running at 144 Hz or 240 Hz or whatever it's capable of. Many gamers miss this step and end up gaming at 60 Hz on a much more capable display. Adjust your in-game graphics settings. Each game is different, but generally you'll want to find the sweet spot between visual quality and performance. Benchmark tools can help you determine the optimal settings for your specific hardware configuration. Set up your gaming platforms. Install Steam, Epic Games Launcher, Battle.net, or whatever services host your favorite games. Create accounts if needed, and begin downloading your games. This is another good time to let things run in the background while you continue setting up other aspects of your PC. Optimize your storage. If you have both an SSD and HDD, make sure your operating system and favorite games are installed on the SSD for faster loading times. Use the HDD for media storage and games you play less frequently. Configure your audio. Whether you're using headphones, speakers, or a gaming headset, make sure your audio devices are properly set up in your sound settings. Test them to ensure they're working correctly, and adjust any spatial audio settings if available. Personalize your experience. Set up your desktop background, organize your start menu, and customize your RGB lighting if your components support it. Make this powerful machine truly yours. Consider overclocking if you're comfortable with it. Many gaming PCs have components that can be safely overclocked for additional performance. Research your specific hardware and use tools like MSI Afterburner for your GPU or your motherboard's BIOS for CPU overclocking. Finally, run some benchmarks to make sure everything is performing as expected. Tools like 3D Mark or Cinebench can help you verify that your system is operating at peak performance. With these steps completed, your new gaming PC is truly ready for action. You've ensured it's updated, optimized, protected, and personalized. Now you can launch that game you've been waiting to play, crank up the settings, and enjoy the smooth, high-fidelity gaming experience you invested in.